Meaning of double decomposition.
Double decomposition.
Double decomposition.
Double decomposition.
Double decomposition. Double decomposition is a process that involves the exchange of two sets of ions between two different ionic compounds to form two new compounds. Essentially, it is a type of metathesis reaction. The result of double decomposition is the formation of two new compounds, with each compound consisting of different ions than the original materials. This process can be used in a variety of applications, including the production of pharmaceuticals and catalysts, as well as in the purification of chemicals and the treatment of wastewater.